Look. Stop it.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. We are multicultural here. We are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Yeah, you're my doll baby. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you're here. Today we're meeting some more models. So this is part 3 of meeting models. We got more to meet. So let's just get to it. Okay, I had to go check and see which models I had already introduced. Before I get started, this is Fajar from Amor Mio, which is also Vivica A. Fox. There's a review up on her. And on my eyes today, I'm going to try and share this more. I am using the BH Cosmetics Sweet Shop line, the Cherry on Top palette. So it looks like this. So let's meet some models. Okay, let's start with, this is Luna. And she is so cute. I did change her face up quite a bit. I changed her eyebrows and I used those eye transfers that I have a review on that you can, it's like temporary tattoos. So I use that on them. They stick so well. Let me get her. I changed the eyelashes, put the makeup on, changed the lips. But she's just this, she's a full, and she's just this gorgeous coloring. She's got these pretty sort of, I would say they're like hazel greenish eyes. And yeah, so this is Luna. I'll link down below where I got them, how much they cost, and where you can purchase them if you're interested. Okay, next up we have Stormy, and she is so pretty. I love her coloring. I changed her lashes and her eye makeup a little bit and her lip color. She's got these beautiful sort of hazily brown eyes, but I just absolutely think she's gorgeous. I think her coloring is gorgeous. And yeah, so this is Stormy. When you're looking at the models, get to know one that you like in terms of maybe if it is close to your features or your skin color or you just enjoy, and let me know down below which one you like and for what reason. And after I film all these videos, if there's one features, colors, something that's missing that you think is missing, go ahead and put that down below. I use the money that I get from Buy Me a Coffee donations. There's a whole video on Buy Me a Coffee. There's a whole playlist on meeting these models, and I explain Buy Me a Coffee. It's basically a one-time donation. You can do it once or as many as you want, where you can donate to the channel. Right now, I'm using those donations to support the multicultural part of our channel. I did get a turntable with the last donation of Buy Me a Coffee, and it's basically, you'll see it now when you see wig reviews, you'll see me using the wigs on the different multicultural models, and they're sort of turning and they're going to be up in the corner here. And so I did purchase a turntable so that it's really smooth and nice and a good viewing experience for you. So you'll see that too. Okay. So this is Willow. She's not wearing a great wig to be doing show and tell. But this is Willow here, and oh yeah, you can see her pretty good. And I changed her up completely. There's going to be actually a mannequin transformation video up on her. I changed her brows, I changed her makeup completely. I just sort of, you know, made her a little bit, she's got this beautiful tan, so I just wanted to give her sort of the sun-kissed situation. So yeah, she's got these stunning sort of like turquoise color eyes. And so yeah, this is Willow. This is Dawn. And I actually didn't do much to Dawn at all. She actually has those doll eyes, which I really like. I did change up her lashes just a little bit. I gave her this sort of bold red lip, and then I did change her brows. But other than that, I didn't put any other makeup on her. I just liked the sort of classic look that she gives. So this is Dawn. Next up, we have Murphy, and I just love Murphy so much. I did add some makeup to Murphy a little bit. I didn't change her lips at all, but I did actually give her a septum piercing. Twinsies! And I also gave her new lashes and these glasses. These were actually my son's old glasses, but they're so cute and they weren't being used, so now they're Murphy's glasses. So this is Murphy. And last but not least, this is Ty, and I named her Ty. I should tell why I named them the names that I named them. So Dawn is named after my cousin Dawn, who passed away, unfortunately, when I was in the 1st grade. She was hit by a train, so that I loved her so much. So that's where Dawn's name came from. Murphy was someone that I worked with, and her last name was Murphy, and I so wanted to name, like, we called her Murphy. Like, for a long time, I thought her name was Murphy, and so I wanted to name her I thought if I had a daughter, I wanted to name her Murphy. But I had Avery, and his name's Avery. But that was a name that I was very attached to. Stormy, I just felt like she looked like a Stormy with her makeup and her whole look, so I just named it Stormy. There's no, like, explanation. And then Luna is because I'm a Ravenclaw, and I'm obsessed with Luna. Harry Potter, I'm obsessed with Harry Potter in general. See my Harry Potter theme. And so I named her Luna because she just reminded me of Luna. This is Ty because people often mix my name up, Tia, and they call me Ty. And I had a coworker who called me Ty for like a year. And finally we were on a call with my HR director, and she's like, "Who's Ty?" And everyone's laughing. And she's like, "Do you mean Tia?" And he's like, "Oh man." And so he was so embarrassed because, like, he called me Ty for like a year. But anywho, this is Ty. I did change her brows up a little bit. I gave her both top and bottom lashes, and I just gave her more of a matte neutral lip. And so that is Ty. All right, so that's the next set of models. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think I have 5 or 6 more, so there'll be one more video on them. Okay, so I'll film that soon and put that up. If there is a model that you would like to see me have, go ahead and put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!